Okay, so a bit ago, I was on YouTube Shorts, and this clip, but like, short and condensed, popped up on my feed about the Monty Hall problem. I don't want to explain it because it's kind of a whole thing, but go watch this, or this, or this, or any of them. But like this video, they'll like explain it how it works, but what I was interested in, like, I wanted to test it, so I wrote like a little R script just to be like, because I was like, there's no way. I was like, that's stupid. I honestly did not believe it. So I wrote this little thingy. So like here, this is just like setup stuff. We're gonna run basically the experiment or the scenario of like the game show with the doors. We're gonna run it 100,000 times and count however many times that switching gets you the correct door, and then this is just setting the seed. This is like a little function. I feel like this there has to be an easier way to do this. I feel like this is way too complicated for just saying switch one of the options in this list, this length 2 list, to the other one, but whatever. But yeah, so this is for switching like the doors basically once the other one gets removed. And then this is like where the main thing happens. So basically now we're going 100,000 times. This is setting up, the 3 doors. This is picking one of these random numbers or elements to represent the door with the car. And then this is the same thing, but, or this is representing like which door the person chooses. So both of them are done randomly. And then this is, what is it? Okay, yeah. This is basically like, this is, what do you call it? The removing the door, the that doesn't contain the car, and that the respondent didn't choose, or like the person didn't choose. Yeah, that's what these two things mean. So this is basically like you pick a door, and then the guy goes to the one of the other doors and reveals that it has a goat. And then here is just you switch your doors after one of them gets removed, and then we just record if he was right. So if we just run all this, this is basically like a simulation of the Monty Hall problem 100,000 times. And okay, it's done. And so now we could just look at like the average, the percent of times like switching got you the right door. And yeah, look, 66 point, a little more than 66.6, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, 66% chance of getting the right door when you switch. And so I don't know, that's all I wanted to see, just like actual proof that this was real. And I just want to show that off. Okay, bye bye.